Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer thermal fuse. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new thermal fuse. The thermal fuse is a safety device located inside the dryer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and you're not getting any heat. In order to get to the part, we have to take the front panel off the dryer. First thing we're going to do is open up the door so we can take it off. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take the screws out. Once you have both screws out, you can lift up on the door a little bit and pull it out so the hinges come out. Once you have the door off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the door off, we can take the screws and the covers off on the other side. Now we can remove the front panel. There's a little locking clip on each side. We just have to pull to release. Once you have the clips released, you can pull the panel forward a little bit and lift it off the mounting tabs. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we have access to the thermal fuse. It's located in the center of the dryer. It's mounted on the heating element tube. We're going to reach in with a small flathead screwdriver to take off the wires. It's just a fuse, so it doesn't matter which wire goes where. They're both the same color. Once you have both wires off, we're going to reach in with a 1/4-inch wrench and take out the small screw that holds the bracket to the tube. Once you have the screw out, you can reach in and take the bracket off. Just have to swing it over and pull the tabs out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dryer. Here's the old thermal fuse next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We do have to switch the bracket to the new one, so we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to take these two screws out. Once you have the screws out, you can swap the old thermostat for the new one. Then we can put the screws back in. Now that we have the new thermal fuse installed on the bracket, we can put it in the dryer. To put the new thermal fuse in, we're just going to put the tabs into the tube. Once you have those in, you can rotate it up, and we can put the screw in and then tighten it down with our 1/4-inch wrench. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can attach the wires. Just want to push them on all the way so you get a good connection. Now that you have the new thermal fuse installed, we can put the dryer back together. To put the front panel on, we're just going to set it onto its brackets. Once you have it on there, you can lift it up. Then we have to make sure that the locking tabs go into the little holes. And then you can lock it into place. Now we can put the door back on. You just have to line the hinges up with the openings and push it in. Once you have both of them in, you want to push down on the door so the hinges lock in. Then we can grab the Phillips screwdriver and put the screws in. Now that we have the door on, we can put the screws and the hinge covers on the other side. We're going to drop the screw into the hinge cover first, and then we'll line it up and put it on the front panel. Now that we have the dryer put back together, we can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.